Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Magento 2 Marketplace Amazon integration plugin. Now this particular plugin integrates the Amazon store with your marketplace store. The marketplace sellers will be able to import products and orders from Amazon store into the marketplace store. The sellers can even assign the products that are left unassigned during the import to any of the categories on their own. Apart from that, the plugin performs real-time updates of the synchronized products price and quantity on the Amazon store. The admin and the sellers both can synchronize product from the Amazon store to their marketplace store. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you through the workflow of this particular plugin at the admin's backend panel, and I'll be showing you how the admin can set up the developer credentials and add his own Amazon seller account. Apart from that, I'll also be showing you how the sellers would be able to do the same under their own account panel. But before we proceed further with this particular video tutorial today, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that I'm at the admin backend panel for the Magento 2 Marketplace web store, having the Magento 2 Marketplace Amazon integration plugin installed on it. Now the very first thing that the admin needs to do is he needs to basically set up the developer credentials, and for that he'll have to navigate through stores, then configuration, and on the configuration page just under the webcool block he'll find the option to configure the particular settings there. So under the webcool block you have to go to the Marketplace Amazon connector, and this would basically bring up the configuration settings for the Marketplace Amazon connector where the admin can set up the developer credentials there. So this will just take a few seconds there to load up. Might be the internet connection is slow there. So here you can see that we have the Amazon account credentials or the account settings here. And here what the admin needs to do is he needs to select the Marketplace ID from the drop down. So here you have to choose the Marketplace ID from the drop down according to the country there. Then you have to enter the developer name, developer ID, Amazon seller ID, the Amazon access key and the secret key. To know more about how to get the access key ID and the secret key, you can check the user guide that I've attached within the description of this particular video. After making these configuration settings for the developer credentials here, the admin needs to tap here on the Save Configuration button. Now after the successful installation of this particular plugin, the admin will find the Amazon menu option, under which he'll find the Manage Amazon Account option under the Marketplace Management. Also kindly note that this particular plugin is an add-on to the Magento 2 Multi-Vendor Marketplace by Webcool, so you'll have to have that first and then you can make use of the Magento 2 Marketplace Amazon integration plugin thereafter. So let me open the Manage Amazon account. Now under the Manage Amazon account, the admin would be able to add his own Amazon seller account details and can view the complete list of sellers who have added their own Amazon details under their own account panel from the storefront under their own account panel there. Now here you can see that we already have one seller who has already added his details like John Doe. Now if the admin wants to add his own Amazon seller account details there for his own account, then he'll have to tap here on the Add Amazon Seller Account button that you can see, and that will bring up the new Amazon account section as you can see with the account information that needs to be entered by the admin. So if the admin is going to add his own seller account, then he has to choose the seller as admin and enter his marketplace what we say is the MWS authorization token, the Amazon seller ID, the marketplace from the drop down, and tap on the authorize. After tapping on the authorize, he'll get other options as well that I'll be showing you in the other example that I'll be showing you just in a while from now. And the admin on the behalf of the vendors can also assign or add their Amazon seller accounts by choosing the seller of the marketplace, entering the MWS authorization key and the Amazon seller ID and choosing the marketplace there. Now let's go back to the previous section there. So here as you can see here, I have already a seller who has added his own Amazon seller credentials there. So let me tap edit on that. Now the same procedure would be for the admin as well for his own seller account there. And after the authorization there, the admin will get the Amazon account general configuration, map product section, mapped orders section, export product section, as you can see. So let's go through each of these options one by one. So under the Amazon account general configuration, the admin will be able to set up the Amazon account configurations, as you can see here. So here we are doing the configurations for the Amazon products and the orders there. So here we'll be choosing the attribute set that would be applicable on the Amazon products that would be imported into your Magento 2 marketplace web store. You can choose to revise the Amazon product by choosing a yes or a no. If you're choosing this option as a yes, then if the product price and quantity is being changed on the Magento 2 marketplace end, then those changes would reflect on the Amazon as well. Then you have to choose the default category for the products that you're going to import from Amazon into your Magento 2 marketplace web store. Choose the default store view. Choose to create the product creation type, whether you want to create the products with variation or without variation. Without variation would create the configurable products as simple products. Product with variation will create the configurable products there with variation. Choose the default website, default source, the order status for the orders that would be imported from the Amazon into your Magento 2 marketplace there. The default product quantity and the product weight can be set up, and the values that you've set up here within these would be the default product quantity and the product weight for the Amazon products who do not have the product quantity and the product weight set for them. Apart from that, now if I could take you to the map product section, now these same configuration settings and the options would be available to the marketplace vendors or the sellers as well under their own account panel, and that we'll be checking in a moment from now. Now under the map products, you will be able to generate the report ID by choosing all active inactive products there. So you have to generate the report ID in the first place. And after that, what you need to do is you need to import the products from the Amazon, and that would temporarily create the products into your Magento 2 stores database. Then to create the imported products into your Magento 2 marketplace web store, you'll have to tap on the create imported products, and those products will be created into your Magento 2 marketplace web store. Now coming to the map order section, okay, the report ID is successfully generated, as you can see here. For the previous one till December 21st, we have generated the latest inventory report ID there. Now coming to the map order section, here you will be able to import the orders from the Amazon into your Magento 2 marketplace web store. So for that, you have to give the Amazon order range, the date start, the start date, the end date, and then you have to tap on the submit order. If there are any orders, then you'll be able to tap on the create imported orders in store to create the particular orders into your Magento 2 marketplace web store. Similarly for the export products, now kindly note that for the export products, the products should be having the product identifier added while you have created the products there within the Magento 2 marketplace web store. So what you need to do is you need to select the particular product, and from the actions drop down you have to choose export to Amazon and directly tap on the submit button, and that particular product would be exported from your Magento 2 marketplace web store into the Amazon account that you have added here. So this was the admin's end that I just wanted to show you. So I just gave you a brief overview of the same. Now let's hop on to the marketplace vendor end. I've already logged into the marketplace vendor account panel, and let's go to the my account section there. Now here on the my account section on the left hand side, you can see I have the marketplace block or with the account panel options. So after the successful installation of this particular plugin, the seller will get the Amazon Connect option. Under that, he'll be having manage account, manage configuration, map product, unassigned product, export product, and map order section. So under the manage account, the seller would be able to set up the Amazon configuration details that include the selection of the Amazon marketplace, entering the Amazon seller ID and the Amazon marketplace web services token, and then he has to tap on the authorization to authorize his particular account there. Coming to the manage configuration, here as well we have the same configuration as we saw in the admin backend panel. So for the Amazon products and the orders, we have to select the different options here. Like we have to choose the default attribute set that would be applicable. whether we want to revise the Amazon products or not. So choosing a yes option would revise the Amazon products on product update at the Magento 2 marketplace web store end. Whenever we are updating a particular product's quantity and price, the same is updated on the Amazon end for that particular product. Then we'll be choosing the default category that would be assigned to the imported products from the Amazon store into your Magento 2 marketplace web store. Then we have the product create. So here you have two options to choose from, whether to product create with product with variation and product without variation. And the opted option will be used for the product creation and the Magento 2 marketplace end. Then the order status for the orders that you're going to import from Amazon into your Magento 2 marketplace web store. Then the default product quantity and the default product weight has to be set. If this weight and the product quantity would be assigned to the Amazon products if those products are not having their default product quantity and the product weight being set there. After this, you can tap here on the save button to save the configuration settings. Now coming to the map product section, here you'll be able to import the products from the Amazon into your Magento 2 marketplace web store. The same goes for this particular section as well. Here you have to first select the import product, whether all products, active products or inactive products. And depending upon the chosen option, then you have to generate the product report first. Then you have to tap on the import products. And after that, you have to tap on the create imported products. Now the import products would basically import the products temporarily into your Magento 2 web stores, what we see as the database there. And then what you need to do is to create those imported products into your Magento 2 marketplace web store. You have to tap on the create imported products, and that would basically start a profiler and it would start importing the products there within your Magento 2 marketplace web store itself. Now after that, we have the unassigned product. Now the unassigned products or the imported products that have been imported from the Amazon into your Magento 2 marketplace web store, if any of those products are not assigned to any particular category, then those products would be listed here, and from here you can select that product and assign a particular category as per your own requirement there by selecting the category and then tapping on the assign product to the category there. Now coming to the export product section, from here you will be able to export the products from your Magento 2 marketplace web store into your Amazon account there. To do so, what you need to do is you need to select the product, and from here you need to tap on the export product button, and this would basically export the product to Amazon there from your Magento 2 marketplace web store section. So here you can see that a total of 1 records have been exported to Amazon. The earlier product that was there has been removed from this particular listing now. Now coming back to the Amazon Connect, lastly we have the mapped order section. So here what you will be able to do is you will be able to import the orders from Amazon into your Magento 2 marketplace web store. And to do so, what you need to do is you need to tap on the import orders, choose the date from and date to values, and according to that you have to tap on the submit button thereafter. If there are any valid orders that are available within that particular date range, then you'll be able to create those imported orders here by tapping on the create imported order button, and those orders would be created under this particular section there. So yes, that was much about the Magento 2 Marketplace Amazon integration plugin, and I hope that this brief overview of the backend and the seller end helped you out in understanding the workflow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you can raise a ticket at webcool.uvidesk.com as well. Apart from that, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up.